We all are living in a stressful world. We have goals to achieve, deadlines to meet, duties to be followed. So the question is, can we live without stress? Well, the answer is a big no. Why? Because human brain is designed for stress. Yes, I am repeating it. Human brain is designed for stress. So to make it more clear, let us get into the physiology of the brain. Now, it is said that brain has got three parts, mainly three parts. The first part is called the neocortex part, which is responsible for rational thinking. Then we have something called the limbic part, which is related to emotions or feelings. And finally, we have the third part, which is the reptilian part, which is the guy responsible for stress. So the thing is, this part was very useful for our ancestors when they used to live in the caves, and the flight or fight mechanism was very prominent or was required. So now we still have it, and we have to have some kind of stress for our performance. Now, if you take the graph of performance versus stress, as you can see here, little bit of stress is required. Now if you see, as stress increases, the performance increases, and once it crosses a threshold of stress, the performance starts dropping down. So it is quite important that we regulate the amount of stress to keep ourselves performing at the peak level. Okay, so one of the way which I'm going to tell you, there are many ways. One of the simple ways which we would tell you today is how to breathe. By breathing properly, we can actually reduce the amount of stress. So you may ask, Subish, come on, what are you saying? I'm not breathing properly? Yes, most of us doesn't breathe properly. Now if you see our breathing technique, now let's say we are breathing in. You can see our chest expanding, and breathing out, our chest contracting. But what about our stomach? For most of us, our stomach is almost there, like it is still, or it may move a little bit. But that is not actual or right way of breathing. Now when we sleep, of course we don't recognize, but scientists and researchers say that when we sleep, we use our stomach, like our stomach really expands when we breathe in, and when we breathe out, our stomach contracts. So when you are not sleeping, when you are of course awake, what you can do is you can hold your hand on the stomach, and when you're breathing in, just see that your stomach is expanding, it's bulging outwards, and when you're breathing out, it is going backwards or bulging in. So in this way, if you breathe, like maybe you can have some 5 or 6 breaths, and if you do it regularly, whenever you have time, you can see that the amount of stress you are suffering, you are going through, can be really reduced, and you can always be at your optimal level of performance. This is one of the way. So by making your breathing technique much more prone against stress, you can actually be a better performer. So I hope you got my point. So to conclude, change your way of breathing and reduce the amount of stress you are suffering or going through, and improve your performance level. All the best.